boxes are so fucking janky.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
they're like a second or two ahead of where they look like they are.
Shoot.
I'll reposition Lozzie, don't worry.
Oh, thank you. Oh, I actually have a proc, so you are good. Thank you, though. I have prey.
Lozzie has prey, please cover.
Do I?
You.
Oh my god.
She got hit by
I'm
a
sorry,
ton
I
of
had no idea where she was.
Daddy,
I was
Daddy.
just running in range.
Daddy. Working at
Daluma.
Why is my arms like not up? What the fuck? Nothing.
Alright, she's good. What's the timer on that, on those
I
rolls,
was-
Zambi?
Just about to ask that.
1 minute?
Shit.
Okay.
It's 2 minutes, I think.
Because I have 2 of them.
No, I think because like it shows as
That's 1
1
minute,
minute.
which means that it's
It
1
means
minute and like
1 minute
59 seconds.
I will
Yeah,
tether
exactly.
her as soon as dawn goes out by.
It's counting down
Shoot.
40 seconds.
So it was 1 minute. Or it was about 1.5 minutes, I guess, at that point.
She's tethered, so that should help. But that just means I won't have tether for the
Wiggle.
bleeds.
Lozzie has prey.
Excog and I'm ad lowing laws.
Hey, Magitech Ray, then Biblio.
Cool. Crit low for laws.
Shoot.
Shoot.
Watch out.
Hey, Biblio.
Biblio.
Jesus Christ, that thing hurts even with a fucking crit low.
Yeah.
It's worse than the bleeds.
Yep.
Hey, Air Force.
Air Force.
What?
God damn it.
I don't have any ether flow.
I'll cure him.
That's not true, I got him.
Alright.
Sorry, my ether flow just came back. Do you need me to get Nigel?
No, it's fine.
You sure?
Yep.
I'm also putting Veil up.
I have D.
I have V.
I have 15 seconds on Veil if you want to use it.
Hey, there'll be a Magitech Ray, and then we're gonna go into Ultras.
Shoot.
I'm just gonna deploy
Hey, Ultras.
Ultros Inc.
I just deployed a crit low. Hopefully everyone got it. I think everyone got it. Oh, fuck yeah.
Did nothing. Okay, Ultras is gonna be in the south.
Praise crit low.
Fucking love that shit.
Oh god.
AOE.
He's gonna be in the north for the final phase also.
Bring up dawn.
Yep.
Okay, diffractive plasma and then virus.
I will end and sucker.
AoE.
I'm
Tethers.
also gonna attempt to put up Dawn.
Virus.
You have
I'm
abandonment.
keeping it.
Pots are back up for after this phase.
Let me know.
AoE.
Why you have it?
Nigel's
AoE.
tethered.
Sorry about that.
Take it now.
Let me know when.
Oh. Here.
It's fine. I got it.
Pray on Lazilas.
I'll take it as soon as my debuff falls off. In
I'm just
1
gonna
second.
stand on top of you.
1 second. Okay. Wait, did it pass? Okay, there we go.
I stole it, but
Okay.
Someone.
I thought it didn't pass. Wait, we're good. We're good.
Shoop shoot.
Shoot, shoot.
It's okay.
Just gonna heal it.
I'll pressure her if you can X-Gog the Arm and Hammer.
Take her to
How
stop.
fast is the arm and hammer? Never mind. Stop moving.
Air Force, right? After this?
Yep.
Yes.
Don't move.
Don't move.
Arm and Hammer's like right now, right?
Yeah.
In a moment, yeah.
Oh, I'm X-cogging him now.
It's okay.
Painted.
Slash frustrating because I don't have X-cog right now.
AoE.
I have a sign.
I also have 10 seconds
veil.
on either flow stack.
Air Force.
Air Force.
Air Force.
Everybody out. Does it reach from there?
Right?
Oh god, no! I'm gonna get paralyzed.
Oh, you're fine.
fine.
It's
Motherfucker.
fine.
AoE.
What in the world?
Trying to be super cheeky with that shit.
He has a DB.
Might need a little help with my ad.
That's fine.
Okay, I can help you.
Yeah, I'm paralyzed. So. All right, get to your friends.
Alright, which... Okay, I see.
Oh, I'm such a scrub.
I've got
Okay.
B.
This will be a home game.
Okay, get in the middle for healing.
AoE.
I'm gonna end on now.
This
Just
side
to...
Okay, it's gonna be Biblio or Daddy next.
How long on refresh?
I think there's a badge decorate first as well.
1 second, sorry.
Nope.
Biblio.
Biblio. Or play it
If
safe.
your
Don't get
response-
greedy. Don't get greedy.
Bibliotop.
That is next, right?
No, Biblio's coming
Biblio.
out.
Add.
Oh, right.
After
Throwing out
Biblio's
a
ad, we will be
lemon
at Daddy though.
AoE.
Got end on here.
Okay, burn Biblio.
AoE. AoE.
1 second and it's off.
Prey
Praise on
Selkie.
me.
Can you cover Selkie?
Ad's
Yes.
dead, so. Okay, I think there's
I
a
didn't
match
get it.
decorate.
Fine.
Either that or
Shoop
plasma.
shoot.
Shoot,
Nope,
shoot.
right.
Okay, then it'll be Daddy.
AoE.
AoE. I have a size.
I have end on. Okay, you a size.
Okay,
I-
Daddy.
Putting up
Daddy.
too.
Oh, fuck my life. Shock
I'm
I
working
fell
on
off.
I'm moving.
I'm gonna mana ward as well.
Deep goes to your
Actually-
corners.
I've got me.
Mana ward's gone.
Watch laws. Can you reach her?
I got her. I got her.
Okay. Yeah, don't
Come
worry
on,
about
Snake.
me.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay.
okay, we're okay, we're okay.
Get him up, get him up.
Working on it.
Ultra's next.
As long as she's not dead.
I have Prey.
Oh, I can't cover you.
It's fine.
Okay, be ready for Ultras.
Shoot.
Watch out for the ray.
Okay, nice dodge.
How much time on refresh?
AoE.
I'll mana shift you.
49.
No.
Deflected plasma, then
I'm dissipating. I can't.
Ultras.
Okay, Ultras.
I can't.
Ultros ink then
Ultras,
stack.
Ultras,
Ultras
Ultras.
ink.
Die.
Okay, get behind him as soon as ink goes out. Okay, get behind him.
I'm endumbing now. Sorry, my endum was on cooldown.
I have a veil up, yeah.
DPS, get ready to drop your orbs.
going to this corner, my man.
I got A. The other one's on C.
Okay, I'll get C. Yep, I see it. Thank you.
Okay,
Shoot,
Ultras is
shoot.
going to be in the
Watch out
northeast.
for rain.
Thank you. Pulling him now.
So I hope he's
Ooh,
there.
we're
Just be careful
gonna.
of the orb.
AoE.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm gonna wait a sec there.
AoE,
Careful
AoE.
the orbs, guys. Careful, careful.
I have endum.
Okay, orbs
Orbs are
gone.
gone. Stay on Ultra or Guardian as much as you can.
Okay, run, run.
Run now.
Run.
There's a bunch over there. Be careful.
Yeah, stop.
Just
I
run
like
behind
C.
them.
Yeah.
And then run behind them. There you go.
Okay, we're safe. We're safe.
Get out of up, get out of up.
I got him.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna LB as soon as he comes down. Burn him.
I'm
All right, here we go, lads.
AoE.
I have endum here. No, I don't. I will sucker.
Fucking
My bad.
burn him. Burn him. Kill this motherfucker.
5, please.
Do it! Do it! Ah! Come
Yes!
on!
Fucking finally!
Fuck yeah.
Oh my god!
Oh.
Aw, people opened the chests already. I wanted a picture.
Ooh, aiming. Look at that.
Aiming helm and.
So when do we get anything
maiming
other
helm.
than Avig?
Yeah, right?
But there's a
we got a
maiming helm.
maiming helm.
Aiming and
It's a-
maiming.
Yeah.
I think that one's trash, though. Yeah, I mean, I'll still take it, but it's...
Okay.
Oh, actually, I'm
Dip.
passing.
To Ado. Twine to Laws.
Okay,
Is
then I'm
my
just.
opinion on the matter.
I will not argue with that.
Alright, well then I'm just gonna leave if I'm not getting anything.
Yeah.
All right,
Congrats,
cool.
everybody.
Now we get